In short, the first thing you will do is to mute the clip. So this way you will mute the clip. Just click this place, click it, and you see that it will be muted. Before I mute it, this is how the video looks like. I think the video itself doesn't have any sound before. Okay, just click on it. Some videos have sound. Just click on mute and mute the clip. So once you mute the clip, you go to your Quran app. So this is our Quran app. Which surah are we using now? Okay, let me just use anyone. Okay, let me use. Okay. Let me go for this one. Okay, now we are now on our Quran. So just click on any verse you want to use. Click on it, long press it, and click on this here, this button. After you long press, click here, this button of here. Just click on it. So click on it. Click on it. You see, and click on copy here. So come here. Now go to your text. Click on text here. So click on text again and add your text. Just paste it and you can now edit now. You can edit now. You can change the font size. So do some editings. I think you can do some editings. You can do a lot of things. You can animate it. You can do animation. Anything. There's a lot of things there. Just be going to the app and you will see a lot of things there. You can change the themes of the text. You see what I changed it to now. I think this is okay now. So that's it. So and now you need audio background too. You need audio background. You can use insert or feedmate to get your audio background or anyone you have on your phone before. But for now we don't have any audio background for this Surah to fill. Let's go to our feedmate and look for any of the audio background. So go to your feedmate. On the search button, just search for Surah to fill. ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل. Let's download the audio here. If you want to download the audio, you just click on music. You see music here. Click any of these, please. to download the audio. So I download the music here. So it has been downloaded now, and I will now go back to my InShot. So after I have pasted the text, I will click here. This is where I will click this particular place. So I'll click on it. Let me add the audio so I download. So click on audio here. You see after canvas, you see audio. So go to music. You see the Surah Al-Fil I download now. I will click on it and I will add it. I will click on this plus sign. So if I play it now, you see you can cut this place. Click on the music you paste and you will come to split. Click on the first one you want to cut and click on delete. So you now drag this one to the beginning so that it will just be you know, each one starts with Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So you will need to put Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So just go to your Quran back again or anywhere. Okay, it's like this one. We cannot copy the Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, but it's in. Let's go to Surah Al-Fatiha. Okay, so click on the first one and click on share and copy it. Now go back to your InShot. Just be following the steps, the video step by step, so that you will not be asking question every time. Just be following it. It's very simple. So go to your text, drag this one and add text now. So paste what you download, what you copy from your Quran now. So and delete all the necessary things. We need only Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, we need Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So edit it to your taste. Edit it to your taste. Let's play it now. So this way Bismillahirrahmanirrahim end. Click on your Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and drag it. Move this one forward. Okay, this way Bismillahirrahmanirrahim ends. Just drag it to the place. Now just bring this one to it. Stop it there and drag this one to it too. That is the first verse. You will do the same thing for all other verse too. Just go to your Quran, put it here, go to the next verse, copy it and put it on your InShot. Go to the next verse, on the next verse, copy it on your Quran app and paste it on your InShot till you will be done. So let me go to the next verse now and copy it. So how to fill this it. The second verse I will long press it, click on share and copy it again. So come back to my InShot. So I will add another text again and I will paste it here. Or I can do like this. Click on this one and I will now duplicate it. So and I will now edit this one. I click on it, duplicate it, and I will now edit. I will edit it. So I will select all the one that is here. So and I will paste the new verse I copied. So
ألم يجعل كيدهم في تضليل.
So that's the second verse. I will pause this video now so that I will go and copy all the verse there, so that it will not waste our time. I don't want the video to be too long. You see, it's almost 12 minutes already. Let me pause it.